Good morning, everybody. This is Jessica Macera with Macera Monday, coming back to you with a little more information about processes. So I want to talk about how to improve or even create great processes in your business. So let's talk about something that a small business owner would use on a daily basis. Maybe the process of going from service to billing. This is a huge issue for a lot of business owners that I work with, and it seems so simple, but it's just not always that simple. So when you have a process like that, what a lot of people do is they assume it's just going to happen naturally. Well, it doesn't. So particularly if you are a tradesman or woman and you have a service that you're providing, you go out in the field, you provide the service, and then you have somebody in the office that you're translating information to, and then that person translates the bill to the customer. This is a lot of times where we go wrong, right? Information gets lost, there are miscommunications, misunderstandings. So how do we deal with those things? Well, I have 3 tips for you today and 1 superpower tip. So the tips that I have for you today is, number 1, talk through your process. Seems so simple, but a lot of times we just don't take the time to do this. So if we can first start with talking through the process, just literally say to yourself, the first step in providing this service is this. The second step is this. Then I transmit the information to Linda in the office. Then Linda puts it into QuickBooks. Talk through every little piece. Then go to the next step and write it down. When you write it down, you are forced to identify some things that you maybe didn't identify before, and you can actually see in your writing some of the things that are important. So you're talking through the process, then you are writing it down, and the next step is to draw your process. Crazy, I know. But if you have a series of little boxes that show every single step in your process, number 1, it's very clear to you, and number 2, it's very clear to everyone else. So in your office, if you talk it through, write it down, and draw it, you are on your way to excellent processes. Now, the power tip, the exclusive power tip that I have for you today is to consider your process through the eyes of your customer. So you have already designed your process through your own eyes, through the eyes of the people in your office and your own experience. But now think about it from the customer side and consider what your customer is experiencing. You might even go so far as to have a test customer go through your process for you and give you a little bit of feedback on what it was like to work with you. This will help you create airtight, information-packed, work-ready processes that do well for everybody and help make you more money. This is Jessica Macera helping you build your bigger, better business.